Hi everyone. Today I am here with a quick and simple remedy for hair loss. So let's make a quick hair oil for hair regrowth. Coconut oil. It is considered to be the best oil for hair fall control. It improves the scalp's blood circulation. It restores luster to dry and damaged hair. Rosemary is known to stimulate hair growth and improve blood circulation to the scalp and helps protect against hair loss. It also cleanses the scalp, increase shine and relieve scalp issues. So let's start the process. First, take an iron kadhai and turn on the heat. Here I am adding 250 ml of coconut oil, as you can see, with 2 tablespoons of dried rosemary leaves and mixing both the ingredients well. Mix it properly, and now what I am going to do is cook this on low heat for 20 to 30 minutes until the oil and the rosemary leaves changes its color, and that is when we know everything is properly infused and it is all done. We don't want it to boil, we just want the mixture to shimmer on low heat. Coconut oil is packed with fatty acids, and rosemary has antibacterial properties that can improve hair health. Here you can see what it's supposed to look like, and this is how it looks 30 minutes later. You can see the color has changed and rosemary leaves has properly infused. After color changes, leave the oil for at least 1 hour to cool down to room temperature. After the oil is cooled, now let's strain the oil in a clean bowl, or you can use an airtight glass container to store the oil. Rosemary oil boosts or stimulates hair growth and helps in reducing hair fall. Here you can clearly witness the change in color of coconut oil, and our rosemary oil is ready to use. It is an effective hair oil with just 2 ingredients for hair regrowth. For extra benefits, we can add 1 tablespoon of castor oil. It is optional, it is your choice if you want to add it or not. Castor oil increases blood flow to the scalp, which promotes healthier hair. It boosts hair growth up to 5 times than the usual rate. And our rosemary oil is ready to use. To apply the oil, dip your fingertips into oil and massage your scalp in circular motions. Massage your scalp for at least 3 to 5 minutes. Use your fingertips and not your nails. My recommendation is to be consistent. If you want to see results in less than 3 months, I really recommend oiling your hair and scalp at least twice a week, every single week, and your hair fall will stop in just 30 days and you will witness hair regrowth within 3 months. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more.